Assalamu alaikum. This is Fatima Ghani, currently working as an ambassador at Dynamic Law Association. Today's topic of presentation is difference between Hudood and Qisas. Firstly, I will elaborate what is Hudood. Hudood. These are the fixed punishments set by Sharia for certain specific crimes. The punishments are considered the limits set by God, which can't be altered by human authorities. सिंपली ये कुछ प्रिस्क्राइब्ड पनिशमेंट्स हैं जो अल्लाह की तरफ से हमें बताई गई हैं. इन पाकिस्तान हुदूद लॉज वर इंट्रोड्यूस्ड थ्रू द हुदूद ऑर्डिनेंस 1979 through the process of Islamization. The ordinances are separate from the PPC but work together. They establish the punishments for offences that are considered hudud crimes under Islamic law. अगर हम इसके की फीचर्स की बात करें, सिंपली द वर्ड हुदूद is a plural of had, which means limit, boundary, which is prescribed by Allah. Their punishments can't be altered or changed. They require high standard of proofs. अगर हम इसके स्कोप की बात करें, that is completely different, completely separate from PPC. Governed crimes like theft, adultery, alcohol consumption. These ordinances set out strict evidentiary requirements such as requiring 4 adult men witnesses for certain crimes like adultery to prove the offense. Now, crimes and punishments under हुदूद. नंबर 1, थेफ्ट. सिंपली जिसको हम चोरी कहते हैं. इट इज़ पनिशेबल बाय एम्प्यूटेशन ऑफ द हैंड. नंबर 2, अडल्ट्री, जिसको हम कॉमन ज़बान में जिना कहते हैं. दे प्रिस्क्राइब 2 टाइप्स ऑफ पनिशमेंट, स्टोनिंग फॉर मैरिड एंड फ्लोगिंग फॉर अनमैरिड. नंबर 3, false accusation. For example, a person falsely accusing someone for adultery is punished by 80 lashes. Number 4, alcohol consumption, which can be punishable by flogging. Now come towards the another topic, which is Qisas. That what is Qisas? Qisas refer to the principle of retaliation or retribution for serious crimes such as murder or any injury. These laws were incorporated in PPC through the Qisas and Diyat Ordinance 1990. Simply Qisas, in which we claim blood money, कि हमें खून के बदले खून चाहिए, while in Diyat we claim a monetary compensation. It is a financial compensation paid to the victim or their heirs. अगर कोई फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल खून या हार्ट को माफ़ कर देता है तो वो कंपनसेशन में दियत क्लेम करेगा. इन किसास victim or family can choose retaliation or forgiveness, nobody else, not any third person. If we talk about the key features, it is a concept of an eye for an eye. In this process, victim or just victim's family can claim for retribution. They allow flexibility in this ordinance. Now, crimes under Qisas or Diyat. Number 1, मर्डर, जिसको हम कत्ल कहते हैं सिंपल ज़बान में. Section 302 of PPC deals with murder. The punishment can be death or life imprisonment. However, under Qisas, the victim's family has right to demand whether they will take Qisas or Diyat. Number 2, bodily injury. The PPC has a specific section for that, which deals for causing bodily injury, which is section 337. Now came towards the basic difference between Hudood and Qisas. Simply, Hudood is the right of Allah, which is prescribed by Allah. If we violate, so we will violate the right of Allah. While Qisas is the right of individual. हर एक बंदे का पुरअमन ज़िंदगी गुजारने का हक है, जो हम वायलेट करते हैं by murdering or by injuring someone. Hudood have fixed punishment which can't be changed, while in Qisas they depend upon victim or their heirs. In Hudood, no pardon can be granted if the crime is proved, but in Qisas we can provide pardon. The process of Hudood crimes is totally complicated, while Qisas is so simple. In Hudood, evidence evidence of women not admissible, while in Qisas it is as admissible. Simply, Hudood governed separate ordinance involving fixed punishment for specific crimes, while Qisas are diyat incorporated into PPC, providing flexibility in serious crimes. Both concepts reflect the importance of justice and fairness in Islamic law. So that's all about for this. Thank you so much.